Hi, so in this video, I'll be replacing this broken latch on a Dyson V15 Submarine Nozzle. Now this latch is what holds this water tray in place, so I'll pull this out. So this latch is the damaged one, and you can see that, I'll just pull this out, you can see that there's a broken piece of plastic right here. So this is the latch that locks this tray in place. So this is where the dirty water goes in. This is the clean water tank, and this is the broken latch. You can see that the hinges are already cracked, so there are no more hinges that supposed to lock this in place. This is the new latch that I bought from Amazon, and it also includes a spring. As you can see, the spring here in the old latch is bent. So I got this part from Amazon, and which I'll link to down below. So let's open this plastic and take out the spring and this new latch. You can see that the new latch has the hinges in place. This one is cracked. So after putting the spring here, so I'll put the spring in this area underneath the latch, and I'll try to slide it in right here in place. So hopefully these hinges are strong enough. After a few minutes, I've managed to attach this latch. So you will need to slightly tilt it to attach one hinge at a time so that it lines up with these two holes on the left and right. So before you reattach this part, make sure that this cap is tight so that when you push it in, it fits snugly. So you have to line up this red marker to this area right here. Hope you can see it. Once you line it up, so you have to line it up, then push it until it clicks. So these two white markers should line up, and we're done. So I'm about to test this to see if this fix works. I'm just gonna fill this water tank with water and see if the fix holds this in place, if the latch works. And I'll reattach it and make sure this cap is snugly fit so that when you slide this in, it goes all the way. Okay, and I'll get the vacuum unit and test it out. Alright, so as you can see, this vacuum works. So now you know that you can replace this latch, and if you've encountered this issue, there's no need to purchase another submarine nozzle. This part is available in Amazon. You can purchase it and easily replace it in 10 minutes. So if this video has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to videos like this.